Welcome to the Travel Phone Holder Instructional video. After watching this video, you'll be able to optimize your phone holder for the fullest experience. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll disassemble the traveling phone holder, creating two pieces: the backing and the pedestal. You will notice that the pedestal has a ledge. Once separated, insert the pedestal into the slots on the backing with the ledge facing up. Your phone can be placed in a horizontal position. Or for vertical placement, make sure that the kickstand on the back is fully extended. We hope that you found this video to be helpful and that you enjoy your travel phone holder. Thank you for watching.
Doing the work for you, true.